did Le SSERAFIM remade an English version, or was this like the demo? That's what I'm trying to understand, you know, because they did an English version. I know that they have a performance version. We're not watching the performance version right now, but let's see what the English version, craziest English version is gonna sound like.
완전 크레이지 갈릴레오 믹서기가 주문까지
blenders? What?
Act like an angel and dress like crazy.
Bro, I am on my knees for these two. Like, my girlfriend loves her. I love Chaewon. I love everyone, actually. You know what? Just look at her.
Act like an angel.
Oh my god, bro.
And dress like crazy. Oh, the girls like falling, falling. Oh, the girls like falling, falling. Oh, the girls like falling, falling. Oh, the girly girls.
That was iconic. Those angles are crazy.
Act like an angel and dress like crazy.
I hate TikTok. Sorry, this is like a tangent
Just
right
like
now.
crazy.
They look good, and every time I see dolphins, I always think of that song Symphony. So that's what played in my head. Sorry, let's move on.
Yeah, hit me with the
That
lightning.
okay. Oh.
It's giving electric to higher on the boat.
It's giving electrocute.
I'm feeling awfully heady. I might just overload. I might break free. Every day's a trial, baby. No more games, you're going.
Sorry, I'm speechless right now.
Don't know why, but deep inside us maybe.
They are slaying.
She's going super crazy. Act like an angel and dress like crazy.
Wow.
Act like an angel and dress like
I'm messing
crazy.
it. I'm messing with the English too. So cute. Woo! All the girls are girling, girling. All the girls are girling, girling.
All the girls are
Girling, girling.
all the girly
Girls.
all the girls are girling, girling.
Woo! Oh, I love that. I love that. I love that.
Back in the days, poor on me, didn't know what to believe.
Woo!
Now I can see I'm the girl, baby, she's all that I need.
Okay.
Saying on this and saying on that.
She's rapping?
So all about the shit.
Yeah, me and my girls kept living it up. So
Did they go shit or they say shit?
Saying on that. Talk is a chip on so all about the shit.
yeah, me and my
She said
girls
shit.
kept
Let's
living
go.
it up. So a kiss staring into the sun.
Yeah, somebody said that they have a version with PinkPantheress. I'm gonna check it out right after.
Every day's a trial, baby.
The English version is fire too.
Don't know why, but deep inside this
I love that it's inside this story.
Wow, she's going super crazy.
Oh my god.
Act like an angel and dress
Woo,
like crazy.
they ate with this, y'all. They ate with this. Woo. Ooh. Hey. All the girls are girling, girling. All the girls are girling, girling.
All the girls are yelling, yelling. All the girls
They literally ate with this, y'all.
are yelling, yelling. All the girls are
Turn a dollar store into a club, for real, for real.
all the girly girls.
Oh hell. They ate.
Let's
They
Seraphim.
ate. Le SSERAFIM. Alright, we're gonna check out the one with PinkPantheress. Should be an interesting one. I heard good things about it already. I think I heard a little bit on TikTok and I was actually impressed. So without further ado, let's check it out. Whoa, oh, it's a visualizer. Okay.
Act like an angel and dress like crazy. Oh, the girls are falling,
Woo.
oh, the girls are falling,
Girling. All the girls are girling, girling.
oh, the girly girls.
Everybody walk to the
Oh, she's off the bat.
Waste your time on talking. Please don't play my song.
Okay.
Because on the way I'm walking. You can't get
Woo.
Hey,
hey, hey, hey.
Let's talk about it just once, okay?
Oh, is that it for her?
Like Pikachu, make my part to John.
Interesting that it's like it's giving me electrocute instead of in this one it's
너 CPR 손대고 like Pikachu, make my part to John. It is pumping.
Oh, not yet. Through. Thanks for coming through. We're just gonna continue, and yeah, thank you for rating. Appreciate you. So this is just like the Korean version, just added with PinkPantheress. Woo! Crazy. Bro, they ate.
Act like an angel and dress like crazy.
Hey, thanks for following.
Act like an angel and dress like crazy.
Hey, get lit. Hey, spooks the boops. All the girls are girly. All the girls are girly. All the girls are girly. I can't vote. I wonder what else is gonna happen.
It's like we're almost there and then I turn around and you're not there anymore.
Oh, there's more.
How could you leave me in the club? Okay, I guess you must have had enough.
You were on fire.
Oh, hey.
I'm leaving later in case it gets better.
Okay.
If you're done right, everyone we know is out tonight. We can leave all our jobs today. Maybe it's a secret holiday.
Okay.
Walk to the baseline up.
Hey.
Waste your time on talking.
Okay, PinkPantheress. There's a lot more. Oh, she got a verse, not like a regular feature. Oh, snap. Oh, might have to add this to the playlist too. Girly, all the girls are girly, all the girls are girly. Shout the girly girls. Shout the Le SSERAFIM. Again. Le SSERAFIM's crazy. Yeah. What a track. So many different remixes, and it seems like each and every remix is definitely added to the playlist, and that's what I'm gonna be doing. Put the comments down below what you guys think. Like this video, share this video, and subscribe. It's your boy Dre. Keep on dreaming, dream, believe, do, repeat. If you have a dream out there, put some hard work to it, it might just come true. Ooh, damn, I've been saying that for 10 years. I just realized. Appreciate all the happy birthdays, by the way, and I'll see you guys in the next video. All right, y'all. Peace. Yeah.
Hey, you better subscribe.
Yo, be sure to follow and subscribe to my Patreon. We got first listens. We also got reactions to lives that I can't post on YouTube. And if a reaction gets blocked, it's uploaded here too. And we got anime reactions as well. We react to variety shows. Please recommend me a K-drama that you want me to react to. So be sure to follow the Patreon. See you guys there. If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on JREAMERS. I'm there every day.